today we're going to be making some blueberry scones. So to start off, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, you're going to take a large bowl and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You're also going to add half a cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to mix this all up until it's combined. Okay, next I have cut up 1.5 sticks of butter, and this is supposed to be cold butter. So we're going to add this in to our dry mixture. And you can use a pastry cutter, but I use this meat cutter. It's a lot easier to chop up the butter with. So I'm going to start just chopping up the butter, and you want it to be combined in the flour mixture until it's like coarse crumbs. You're going to set this aside, and we're going to start on our wet mixture. So in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of milk. Also going to add 1 egg that has been whipped up. And the last thing you're going to add is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're just going to mix this all up. Okay, so my wet mixture is all combined. We're going to bring back our dry mixture. And slowly we're just going to add this in. Like that. And we're just going to mix it all up until it forms a soft dough. Okay, my mixture is not fully combined, but now's the time to add in our blueberries. So I'm going to add 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries into my batter. So we're gonna add in our blueberries. Try to fold in these blueberries. You don't wanna mash them, you just wanna fold them. So my dough is ready and I'm going to knead it. I have floured a clean surface. So once you've floured your hands, we're going to remove the dough. So I'm gonna place my dough on the board and flour a rolling pin. And we're just gonna roll out this dough. Perfect. Now we're gonna cut them. Okay, so we're gonna start cutting out our scones, and I'm just gonna be using this glass. So you always want to flour the cutter first. I have my dough rolled out, and you wanna go as close to the edge as you can. Push it down. We're just gonna place it on a tray with some parchment paper on it. And so we're gonna do this to all of the scones. Okay, I think we're ready to put this stuff in the oven.